If you're considering a move here in Broomfield, Colorado, specifically to the Anthem Highlands Baseline communities, you want views, you have to check out this house. This community, what it has, it's amazing. I cannot wait to show you the views that direction. They are phenomenal. Anyhow, this is gonna be a full property tour. I'm gonna go inside, outside, good, bad, ugly, the schools, everything else about the home, the community, the lifestyle here. Let's jump right into it. My name is NickAhrens with the North Denver Report. I've helped over 350 families move. I specialize right here in Broomfield. This community, this lifestyle here is phenomenal. It's just one of the best locations there are in the entire state of Colorado. You're about 30 minutes to the airport, 30 minutes to Boulder, 30 minutes to Denver. Anyhow, let's go take a look. I'm gonna show you everything about this home. I'm gonna jump to the front. We're gonna go through the home. And like I said, I cannot wait for you guys, once we get to the back side of the home before upstairs, to see these views. I want you guys to check out this house. It's awesome. I love this floor plan. The community is amazing here. Big mature trees even for how new it is. But let's take a look. So as you're walking up to the home, first thing I'm seeing, long driveway, nobody behind. That's all gonna be open space. There's a bike pump track over there. Got 3-car garage, and here, check this out. Right as we walk inside, you can kind of see it through the windows. All of that view is amazing. So you walk inside, it's open. It's got good feng shui because the staircase is not pointed directly at the front door. There's a little gap there. So, here, look at this. That's all view back there. Before we do that, we're gonna go this way because we've got foyer, coat closet, office, 1-car garage here. I love the way they built these communities because if you look at this, it's got one small window there on the home. No other windows on that whole side of the home, so you got a lot of privacy between homes here. So here's the office, regular car garage, regular closet. We're gonna skip those. We're gonna jump. Take a look at this. Well, he can't really see it yet. All right, formal dining. This is a really, really big dining area. That seats 4, but you could easily have a table that's twice that long that sits probably 5 people on each side. So probably a 12-person table would work well here. As we pull back, we've got super high vaulted ceilings in through here. You can kind of see some of those views. That is a massive TV. That looks like an 85-inch TV. So you've got just a lot of room here. And here, check this out. Let's see if that camera goes to the views. Oh, not yet. So we've got beautiful kitchen, open space, kitchen island, new cabinets. These are one of the newer communities in all of Broomfield. It's got a really big corner pantry, so it sticks out a lot in both directions. 2 ovens, nice refrigerator. I love these. When they're hooked up, you knock on them, it shows you exactly what's inside. Right here, take a look at this. First, let's just check out the view over the sink here in the kitchen. That is phenomenal. That's all open space. That will never get built on. There's a huge park you can kind of see right over there. Reservoir, you can go fish at, bike pump track. It's got ever soccer fields, everything right there. Little pond. Here, let's take a step back. And what I really love about this home is the way it feels right when you walk outside of that door here. So what you're seeing is those homes over there, that's Anthem Reserve. That's gonna be the highest price per square foot of the entire Anthem and baseline area on those homes. They're all semi-custom. And we always talk about the amount of pocket parks here. You can see there's a pocket park there, pocket park around the corner, parks that way, 48 miles of trails, includes here. But here, check this view out. This is just phenomenal through here. I'm gonna zoom in right there, and what you're gonna see is, watch this. Oh, you can't really see it that well. It's a little hazy today. But right there, that is the Flatirons right there above Boulder. So that right there is your main access for the baseline highway 7 that gets you right over to Boulder. You can get there in about 20, 25 minutes. Those homes right there, that's Anthem Ranch. That's all single level homes. It's a 55 and over community. Really well kept up through there. Okay, but let's pull back again. I'll show you the other side. These are all gonna be custom homes up there, up on the hill. And yeah, like I said, that's gonna be Anthem Reserve over there. Really nice homes. Those are on average about 6,000 to 8,000 square feet all through there. Here, we're gonna come back inside the home. I've got one more thing I'm really excited to show you guys as well. That's upstairs, and one thing that's downstairs. So first things first, I want to get you a proper layout of the home here. So coming back through here, we got laundry, a half bathroom here, half bathroom here, a full laundry room with the sink, extra cabinet space. I mean, views from a laundry room. How many homes have views like this from a laundry room? I just love it through here. Additional closet here. That's a really big walk-in closet right there. I'm gonna pull back, and just behind me is the garage through this door here. All of Anthem has really nice garage sizes. Good amount of space you can put in here. Tons of space for extra storage. And here, so as you were to come in the garage, if you were to park here, you buy the home, you come in the garage, you open up to this and all of those views through there. Here, let me adjust the lighting so you can see a little better. All right, now we're gonna come around. I cannot wait to show you this one thing downstairs. Oh, it's so cool. So here's the basement access through here. And I'm gonna cut the video, and we're gonna come right back through there. All right, here we go, basement time. Let's go. I can't wait to show you how this whole setup down here actually works. So watch, you can see this part clearly not finished. So come to the side here. They've got a bunch of stuff here. Clearly they're moving out. It's a huge, huge basement. Goes onto the size of almost the entire property here. But check this out. This, I love. This is called a walkout basement. And you have a slider, so you can literally walk out from the basement to the backyard. And look at this. It's got a whole fire pit area. Again, opening the back space. Oh, there's a little bunny. And barbecue. I mean, who the heck does not want to sit here and grill with this? Or hang out at that fire pit with those views. That's just, it is awesome down here. I cannot wait to show you the views from upstairs. They're even better than the views downstairs. All right, now we are headed upstairs. Again, I can't wait to show you what these views look like, not only from the top of the stairs, but from a couple of the windows as well. So walk up, this is an extra wide hallway in this particular floor plan. We're gonna first take a look to the right and then come back and then go check out that view. Got your closet here. Really nice big bedroom. This is a huge piece of furniture, so it might feel a little smaller than it is. And here, you can see the mountains all through there. Look at that. So let's open up door number one. Then we're gonna open up door number two. So we got a full bath as an upstairs secondary ensuite. Pretty good size walk-in closet here. And then, here, watch this. So, just walk upstairs and you've got crazy views just right there. I love it. Middle bedroom here. That connects over to this other one. So we got a Jack and Jill bathroom that we just went through between these two bedrooms, but look at this. Again, just views everywhere. Look. All right, got a phone call, how do we adjust that? So here, check this out. Just views for days from this house. Now, a lot of Anthem does have really good views. You know, the homes with views, they do not come up for sale very often. So I'm coming out that last bedroom up at the top here. I'm gonna pull back so you can see behind me again. So I'm standing right at the top of the stairs of this floor plan. So bedroom, Jack and Jill behind here, bedroom. Amazing views. And here's our actual primary here. So we have that secondary ensuite upstairs in that corner. Now the primary is removed from the rest of the house, right? Remember below it, we've got a half bath, laundry, storage, and then under that side of the primary is going to be the garage. So you're not going to get a lot of that noise that you would on some of the older floor plans in your primary here. I love a 5-piece as well. So 5-piece bath means there's a separate tub versus shower. Really good size closet. That just keeps going and going and going. So that's probably going to be from here to the very back nook of that is probably about 8 or 9 feet. So it's probably about a 10-foot deep closet in that little corner there. But here, check this out. Here we go. All 3 windows, big windows, high ceilings that just open up completely to here. Private as it gets, views, we're south facing as well. So a lot of times what's going to happen with the south facing yard is that yard is going to be more usable year round. So when you have a view that has sun exposure, all that snow is going to melt pretty quickly, typically within about 2 to 3 days here on average in Broomfield, which makes that backyard usable even in the wintertime. A lot of times here in Broomfield, Colorado, on an average year, it actually only snows 11 times and it only sticks for an average of 2.5 to 3 days. So other than that, and the reason it doesn't stick a lot of times is because the temperature in the winter often gets up into the 40s during the daytime. So you'll still be able to use that backyard even through the middle of winter. There's one other thing I wanted to note real quick as we go back towards that kitchen space. That makes this floor plan quite a bit unique compared to the other ones here in Anthem. 2 posts. These would be very, very difficult to remove. I do want to note that out on this particular floor plan. Some people have added a wall here and kept the wall. Some people have left it as that open space to make it a little easier to come through. Right here. Check this. Again, I love it. It's awesome.
Hey, if you made it this
All right,
far of
now
the video,
we're
please
headed
at least give me a
upstairs.
thumbs up.
Again,
Helps my
I can't
page
wait
so
to show
much.
you
I really appreciate it. Comment
what these views
because
look
I
like.
want to know how much
Not only
you
from the top
think
of the stairs,
this home's worth. I reply to every
but
single
from
comment
a
that comes in. Now, if you're serious about moving to Broomfield or Anthem, there are a couple
walk up,
of
this is
additional
an
things
extra
that
wide
you need to
hallway
know.
in this particular floor
I've got an
plan.
entire relocation package.
We're gonna first take a look to the right, and
videos,
then come back,
all
and then
kinds
go
of stuff.
check out that.
Go back to my page, click the links out of there, and you're gonna find so much additional information, not only about Anthem Highlands, Baseline, and that northern Broomfield area, but also Louisville, Lafayette,
Really
Erie,
nice,
Westminster,
big
Arvada,
bedroom.
you name it, I've got info
is a
on it
huge piece
because
of furniture,
I'm
so
passionate
it's
about
smaller
making
than
sure
it is.
people and families are making the right decisions
can
with the
see
right
those
lifestyle
all through
that
there.
they're looking for. Now here in Anthem, we do have the assigned school, which is Thunder Vista, which is one of the top rated schools. I believe it's in the top 6% academically and test score wise, all schools in the entire state of Colorado.
Door number 1.
Very safe, tons of pocket parks, 48 miles of trails. So
we got a full bath.
If you have any questions on this home or others, let me know. And lastly, subscribe.
Ensuite.
I've got a ton more videos that are coming soon.
Pretty good size
Ton more
walk-in
property
closet
tours.
here.
You know, a lot of information
Then-
on different cities, different communities. So if you're serious about buying a home in Colorado
walk
or trading
upstairs.
up here,
We've got crazy views.
you already
just
live here in
right
Colorado,
there.
let me know. Happy to help.
love it.
Like and subscribe. More coming soon.